Hello, welcome to Getting Clean on the Prairies. I've just cleared away a bunch of my plants off the shelf here so that I can do some videoing of my cucumbers. These are my straight 8 cucumbers that I've planted in the Kratky method. I'll just give you a little shot here of the roots. You can see got a lot of roots going there and they're looking really good. I just gave it a drink with some fresh nutrients. But as you can see, I have a lot of blooms happening, and I understand I have to do some of my own these aren't self-pollinating plants, so I'm going to have to help it along with pollination. So I've been watching and waiting for some of the female blooms to show up because most of these are males. I did find one here today. I'll just try to zoom in for you. So this is a female. You can see the fruit is coming. So what I need to try and do just to help it along is I'm going to use this little paintbrush here, find myself a male bloom such as this one right here. As you can see, there's no fruit coming at the bottom, so that's a male, and see if we can try do some cross pollination here between the two. You can see there's another female one coming, but the bloom hasn't bloomed yet, so that's not ready. So you can see this cucumber is growing quite a bit all throughout my shelf here, and that seems to be the only female that I can find. Maybe that's another one down there. So we'll see if we can do some pollination using this. So as you can see, I got the female one sitting here, and I'm going to break off this male one just so I can demonstrate what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to take this little brush here and just go right down inside and see if I can get any of the pollen out of this flower. I can't see anything with the naked eye, so I'm not sure if I'm actually picking up any pollen, but then I'm just going to take it and brush it inside this female here. I can kind of see a hint of yellow powder on there. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. I'm just going to brush it inside. And I guess we'll wait and see if this fruit continues to grow and develop. So we'll go try another one on the other side. So we got another one here. You can see the little bit of fruit starting here. So this is a female. So I have another male blossom that I found here. So again, I'm just going to pull back as far as I can and get in there. See if I can pick up any of the pollen. No idea if this is actually doing the trick, but I'm just going to try it a few times. See if we can do the magic that normally our bees and butterflies do for us. I also wanted to show you my cucamelon. It's growing in this container here. It's kind of hard to video this from behind, but I just wanted to show you because it is so healthy and green. And it is growing up my stand here. It's growing across. And if you can see here, there is tons of these tiny little fruits. So I'm assuming these would be the females. I haven't seen anything on these plants that looks like a male flower yet. So I'm not quite sure what I should do with these. So I'm just trying to zoom in some more here on all the little tiny cucamelons coming here. They're so delicate and so tiny. Right, try to. It's really hard to get a good video of these up close, but you can see there's a little tiny one. It's got the cute little blossom on it. So I'll just keep an eye on these and see how they do on their own. Not sure if the cucamelons need some kind of help to pollinate, but just check back again on my next video and I will give you an update on how all my cucumbers are doing growing indoors using the Kratky method. So if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified next time I have another video up on the channel. Thank you for watching.